poppin'? It's your girl, I be living back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these. Period. Cause like I've been seeing they very popular on Instagram, but I'm like, boom, baby. I already made a YouTube video on how to make them. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell to get a notification every time I post. Cause period. And let's get straight into the video. So before I get started, the video that I'm gonna post after this video, I'm gonna have on the same outfit. So I'm gonna be like, ooh, why you wearing the same outfit? Cause it's all recorded in the same day. I'm not even supposed to be showing y'all my nails, but yeah, keep watching. So y'all now, do not use this glue, E6000, cause yeah, the first time I did them, baby, they may seem like they dry, baby. Next morning, they're gonna start falling off. So do not use how much you use of this. It don't work for it, okay? This glue from Hobby Lobby, it was only $4.99, and it's jewelry and metal glue. So yeah, use this. Period. Let's get started with making our shoes. The tools that you're gonna need for this, I already told y'all the glue, some scissors. These, honestly, my friend bought these, so, but I know you can get these from Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's, places like that. To be honest, Hobby Lobby is my favorite. Obviously, you're gonna need you some CROCS, baby. Of course, you need charms. Yes, of course you need charms. So, I was trying to think of a color that would go good on yellow. So I did turquoise. I was gonna do yellow on yellow charm, but let me see, y'all. It really like just kind of blended into me, so I just did these. Before I start, I like to wipe off my crock like with a baby wipe. I don't know why. I just like to wipe it off, get all the dirt and stuff out. Just clean them. I don't know, I just like wiping them down with baby wipe. And baby, you can reuse this same baby wipe for the other shoe. So boom. So these little flowers you can get from Amazon. I have all types of colors flowers. I don't feel like showing y'all right now, but I have plenty of colors. I have blue, yellow, purple, gold, tan, brown, any color you can think of in these flowers. So I got them from Amazon. As far as the charms, please don't comment about them because baby, I'm not giving away my charm vendor, like, especially if I sell this type of stuff. I'm sorry, I just can't give it away. Better go search like I did. So yeah, on the charm, you're on your own. So the flowers come with this little hook on them. So basically, you just take the gold piece and just tear it off. But I'm not gonna do that because I already have like one made. So this is how it should look after you tear it off. So basically, you pulling it out of there. So we're gonna start off by gluing the flowers first. So let's open this up. Whoa there, buddy. It should have had a whatchamacallit came with it. So a whole bunch of glue just came out on my I was about to say my knife. My scissors. So yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do, take this, so this the flower up, and I'm gonna flip it at to the bottom and just put the glue all the way around it. Oh, y'all, I just got my nails done, and it's already glue getting on it, baby. Oh, this is all for y'all, y'all. This is all for y'all. And I'm gonna cry if you don't come off my nails. But this is just for my YouTube piece. So, what you gonna... Whoa! Oh! Oh, this sticky. Okay. Yo, I recommend wearing gloves when doing this, by the way. So then you're gonna take it, stick it in there. Like, and when I tell you this is super glue, it's like super glue, like no cap. Make sure you don't have glue on the petals because that will cause them to stick onto your crocs. So this is how we add the little flowers. They in there, baby. Let me tell you, they in there. Okay. So boom, cute. So yeah, now let's put the rest in there. I already have one open. And y'all be careful when you open this, because y'all see how much hanging out? Yeah, just be careful. And I still have some left on this. So yeah. So take another one. Put the glue on there. Need some more glue. I will have these available for purchase soon. It's just I need to get some more charms first before I start taking orders, and also I need to get some Crocs and stuff, you know. So basically, as y'all can see, it's in there. Ain't no coming out. So y'all, this stuff is very sticky. So I thought I was playing. I'm for real. I had to go get me some gloves because that glue is like powerful. Like that glue don't play no games. Gloves is what you need, baby. Gloves. I mean, unless you don't care about the glue getting on your hand, but it don't seem like it's gonna be coming off. Yes, baby. Protect the nails 2020. So that's what we were doing before this glue rudely interrupted us. What I told y'all, you're just gonna take it and pull it off. Just like that. And I need some more. This super glue said, I'm not even gonna play with y'all like that, like, period. That's why I mess with them. I have to write them a review. Cause this glue is the bomb, baby. Come with all different sizes. So what we're gonna do, we don't want the jumbo ones. We don't want none too small. Because they can fall through the holes. So I'm gonna use these. So I'm gonna cover those two holes first. So boom, y'all. I had to take my glove off, you know, to get on there. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna put another jewel right here. This Chanel charm, like a bow, Chanel. And then what I'm gonna do is put it right here, and then it's gonna cover two holes. So I don't need no diamonds right there. You basically look at what's touching the shoe, like underneath in the middle, it's not touching the shoe, so I don't need to put glue right there. So basically just around the edges of the gold, that's why I need to put glue. Boom, baby. Cause period. Tell them folks that y'all really doing it though. Yeah, get into it. Maybe we got that Louis up to the Chanel to the butterfly. So boom. This is my other pair. I didn't finish it. But yeah. Boom, that wraps up this video. Now I'm still trying to get all this stuff off of my hands. Look, oh my god. So y'all, I advise wear some gloves or something. So anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that, run your checkup, and I'm gonna be out.